Hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. My name's Jessie if you're new here, but if you're not, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with a packing vlog just because simply that is what I'm up to. I thought you guys might find this kind of interesting. So I'm packing and I'm getting ready to be away from my apartment for approximately 4 weeks, heading to Toronto for the long weekend, and then after that I'm preparing to go to Queen's University for 3 weeks in Kingston, Ontario. So I'm a little stressed out with packing, but I'm just gonna do it on camera, and then that forces me to be productive. I'm not much of a good packer. I think it's gonna be hard packing for 4 weeks just because I feel like I need so much stuff, but it needs to all go in one suitcase. I gotta be conscious of that. I gotta pack light. It's gonna be a challenge, but we're here for a challenge, so I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so this packing vlog is probably gonna be broken up within 2 days because I leave 2 days from now. I would really love to get all my clothes in order, but I'm doing like a million loads of laundry right now, trying to get everything clean before I leave. We're actually gonna start with toiletries today, so let's go do that first. I thankfully went yesterday and ran some errands to get ready for my trip, and I just did like a little Dollarama haul. So I'll show you guys what I got. First thing I got were these like little containers that I'm gonna put my shampoo and conditioner in because I need smallish containers, but I'm gonna be there for 4 weeks. So I need something kind of bigger because, you know, 4 weeks is a long time and I don't wash my hair every day, but I got a lot of hair, so I gotta keep that clean. And then I just got these extra little mini ones from the Dollarama. Well, I thought these would be good. I'm probably gonna put body wash in one, maybe like hair gel, and then something else. I have a ton of products and I know it's gonna weigh down my suitcase, and I'm not bringing a carry-on, so we're gonna try to keep things light because I cannot pay for extra bag. Like I can't pay for an overweight bag. Next items I got are all for my mouth. So I got a little Listerine. I got just some little floss sticks, because I feel like these are easier to travel with, and just a fresh toothpaste because almost out. Oh, and then I also found these little toothbrush caps that you just put over your toothbrush, and they're good for traveling. And Jordan's lucky day, he gets one too. Okay, let's get this shampoo on the go. Of course, I'll be taking my Aveda. I love this stuff. This is the Aveda strengthening shampoo. So this is what I'll be taking. The Aveda nourishing conditioner and the Shampure smell. These smell amazing and I love the way they make my hair feel. So let's fill these babies up. How I think I'm gonna pack is I have this like little pouch, and I'm just gonna make this kind of like my shower pouch. So like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, probably like my razor, and then any of my hair products I would use after the shower I'm gonna try to put in this, and also probably like toothpaste and toothbrush if I can fit it all in here. So wish me luck. I think what I'm gonna do next is just kind of lay out all my toiletries and like everything. If I was gonna get ready in a day, if I did like a full shower, wash my hair, tan, makeup, the whole 9 yards, I'm gonna get out everything I need for that, and I'm gonna put it in my suitcase. Let's go. Okay, I think I finally have all of my like hair, makeup, and like all my products ready, I think. The beauty of packing like 1 to 2 days in advance is like I'm gonna put all this in my suitcase, and if I'm grabbing for anything outside of my suitcase, I know I need to put it in. So I'll show you what I got so far. All right, this is what we're working with. So I got my straightener. I can curl with this, so it's kind of a multi-tool. And then I have my blow dryer brush, which I can blow dry and kind of style my hair with. And then we got my little shower pod. We got hair stuff, more skincare I forgot to put in there. Then I just repurposed this little baggie, put some flossing sticks, band-aids, and a couple Q-tips in there. Eye masks. Then I got my Listerine, toothpaste, And then all my Moroccan oil products I cannot live without. Brush, perfume, more Moroccan oil, hair gel, tanning lotion, party light because essentials, Laneige, lip mask because I don't go anywhere without this. And also this is another product I love. So this is the Aveda cooling oil, and you just rub this kind of on your neck and your temples and massage it in, and it's just a very relaxing cooling sensation. I love this before bed. And then I got my sleeping mask because I get my best sleeps when I wear this. And then the bags I'm planning on bringing that aren't going to be for traveling. These are like my little fashion bags. And I have my makeup case, and I think that's it for now. So I'm going to throw this on my suitcase and see how that goes. That is all my packing I plan to do today. Tomorrow we're going to be doing clothes, shoes, and tech, and anything miscellaneous that I might have forgotten. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, you guys, I am back for day 2 of packing. Just got my hair done, looking fabulous. So right now I'm picking out outfits for the Toronto weekend. Friday night, we're going to a Jays game, so I'm picking out my outfit right now for that. This is what we're working with. Just like a little plain white tank top, a little jeans skirt, and then Phil is letting me borrow his jersey, and I'm just gonna throw that over top. I'm just gonna pair it with white sneakers since we're going to a baseball game. Would love to wear heels, but it's just not the vibe. That's cute. And I also might wear this hat because it seems like it's the vibe. Okay, I feel like I'm good for Friday. Now let's pick out my outfit for Saturday. Just picked out a couple options for day number 2. So firstly, we just have this little floral dress. It's mid-length, really comfortable. Apparently it's supposed to be like 30 degrees and muggy on Saturday. So I'll probably wear this either with this like little crochet moment over top, or this little like silk white overshirt. And then on my feet, I have my new little spring slides. So I think this is really cute. It's gonna be comfortable, but I also have pants options if I'm not feeling the dress. So love this. Okay, so this is my Saturday night outfit option. Just this cute little green tank, wide leg jeans, and some cute sandals. Honestly, you guys, obsessed with these. Got them at Marshall's, and you know what? They slay. So I'm gonna be wearing this probably out for like our nice dinner and when we go to Cruise and Tangos. So excited! So I think this is what I might wear for a Sunday brunch. So I just have this like really pretty gold shirt on from Le Chateau, and then I just have these, they're like blue and white pinstripe comfy pants, and I think these look cute. And depending on what kind of condition my jeans are from the night before, I might opt to wear them for brunch as well instead of these, but I think these look cute, or jeans. So I love this for brunch. All right, now I need a Sunday night outfit. Here is my Sunday night outfit. I just have this like black long sleeve button-up shirt. Has like some cute little details, and then literally just a plain black tank top with leather pants. And then of course, oh my god, of course I've got these cutie patooties on because they literally look so cute with every outfit, and I'm so happy I found them. I found them at Marshall's, but they're the brand French Connection. You guys, I think this might be my favorite outfit that I've tried on all night, so love this. Alright, we need a supper break. Alright, it's time to load this baby up. For real. This is everything that I can think of right now off the top of my head. So let's pray that that fits in there. I'm kind of scared. Let's go. I just did a little weigh-in. 2 pounds over, which sucks. So going through and sacrificing some things out of the suitcase. So far I took out a full sweatsuit, full-size hair gel. That was probably not the smartest thing, so I put that in a little container. Taking out my Moroccan oil dry shampoo. Oh, I'm putting in my other one that's a little smaller that I don't like as much. Making sacrifices over here. We can do it though. Finally done. It's only like 10 o'clock. Okay, let's pray that this is under 50 pounds. All right, you guys. Thankfully, we are 2 pounds under, so it's time for me to go bed. It's time for me to go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching me pack to get ready to go on my trip. It was lots of fun showing you guys how I pack and what I get up to. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.